Hey fam, welcome to Project 372, the basement before. So the first two photos that you're going to actually be viewing are pictures of the basement that we took when we were coming to do our final walkthrough. The previous owners were into like log cabins, so the husband actually turned the basement into a complete log cabin where it was wood and kind of like dead animals hanging everywhere. Totally, definitely not my thing. So I knew again right away that before I moved in, we were going to have to completely do a renovation of some sort on the entire house to make it more modern and up to my standards. Moving along are photos of the progress during the renovations, where we didn't bother to take the wood down because it would have been too much work and too labor intensive. So we just purchased like the very, very thin sheetrock and actually sheetrocked over the wood, and it actually turned out pretty great, which would then allow me to paint and make it more modern and match the rest of the house and not log cabin-y, because again, just totally not my thing. We actually took down that glass shelving that was in the back of the basement where he actually kept like guns and big animal heads. We took that down because eventually my husband will actually use that for his DJ area, which you'll see in the reveal.